When someone is convicted of a felony, one of the penalties is not being able to own, purchase, or possess a firearm in the state of California. Violating this is what's known as Penal Code 29800, felon in possession of a firearm. Very often, a client will call us when they're pulled over and a gun is found in their car and they weren't supposed to have a gun, either because of a past felony conviction or from another case where the negotiated deal included a firearms restrictions. The punishment for this crime is up to 3 years in jail or prison, another felony conviction on your record, and fines and penalties up to $10,000. In Alameda County specifically, the minimum amount of jail time that a district attorney will even consider is 4 months. In the best case scenario, outside of a flat out dismissal, a good defense attorney will get no jail time in lieu of formal probation, house arrest, the Sheriff's Work Alternative Program, or electronic monitoring. This law also applies to people addicted to drugs and was sentenced in a past crime involving drugs where part of the deal was to not own, possess, or purchase a firearm. To be found guilty of this crime, the district attorney's office must prove that you were actually in possession of a firearm and that you weren't supposed to based on a past conviction. Some of the defenses of this crime include the firearm was fake, a toy gun, or not even a gun at all. You only had the gun for a moment or was on your way to turn it into the police. You took the gun away from someone who was going to commit a crime, or the gun was real, you did possess it, but it was found by the police due to an unlawful search and seizure. Some of the common questions that we get when someone is being investigated for this crime is, will I get deported if I'm not an American citizen? We often refer our clients to immigration attorneys that we trust and have worked with in the past to advise them on these immigration-related questions. We then work with your immigration attorney to try and identify and negotiate a deal that does not involve deportation. Another question that we get is, how can I restore my rights to own or possess a firearm? The answer to that really depends on whether you qualify, and if so, cleaning up your record by getting the conviction reduced, expunged, or in rare instances, getting a certificate of rehabilitation from the governor. If you or a loved one are facing charges involving felon in possession of a firearm, our office is available for a consultation and an evaluation of your case. We're here to help, so please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks for listening.